In this video, I'm going to show you guys a great way to practice your one-point perspective. This works great for city drawings and interior perspective drawings when putting items in the room. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with a dot in the middle, and that is going to be your vanishing point. And all around the dot, you're going to draw shapes. I'm going to keep this one real simple and just do squares and rectangles for now, because that's the most simple shape. But you could challenge yourself by trying other shapes such as stars or L shapes. Alright, now to start doing them in 3D, we're going to do our 3D rules. You're going to line up the vanishing point to the corner of the box and draw a nice straight line from the corners. You're not going to do any corners that cross into the box. So this bottom right corner is going to get skipped. And I'm just going to go right around the circle and do this to all of my boxes. So I put my pencil on each corner of the box. I line my ruler up to the vanishing point and draw nice straight lines. So right now it looks really cool. It looks as if the boxes are shooting back and they're going away from us. I'm going to show you how to stop them. So basically the edge of the box needs a parallel line to it. And you can see how the back edge of the box does the same exact thing as the front edge of the box. And then once I finish off the box, I can erase all of my extra lines. And what I'm left with is a 3D object. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to each one of my boxes. And you could try the same at home. Remember to draw nice and light, so when you're doing all this erasing, it erases completely and you don't see a lot of mistakes. And then you could just turn these boxes into things. I'm going to turn this one into a toy box and just draw some toys sticking out of the top. Maybe a little teddy bear here that fell out of the box. You can turn these into anything that you need to. Maybe I'll turn this one into a lamp, a little hanging lamp. And think about things that might be up on the ceiling, maybe like a set of cabinets. So I'm going to turn this one into a cabinet. Maybe if you're doing a kitchen drawing, you might have a cabinet. I turn this one into some shelves, another one into a trash can, another one into tissue boxes. This one I'm turning into a dirty clothes hamper. And I'm just going to draw one more example in here, just because not all of them have to be the exact same shape. You can make them a little thicker or a little thinner. I'm going to make this one really thin, and I think I'm going to turn it into a 3D book. So if I have a book on a shelf somewhere, it would get drawn exactly the same. So all of these rectangle objects, square and rectangle, can be turned into all different kind of items, and this is the most simple way to draw a three-dimensional object using one-point perspective. And so I'm just going to put some details on this to make it look like a book, and we'll end our practice drawing there. Practice at home and see what you could come up with.